Today is April 12th, 2019, and this is episode 101 of PlaneSavers. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 here with the DC-3. Big day today. We got to make it look worse, because folks, today we got to make this airplane look worse so it can get better. The whole goal today is get both wings on the ground, and yeah, so to do that, we're going to have to modify the forklift a bit. Ronnie's got to modify our sling, and basically we got the left hand wing unbolted. We just need the right hand wing unbolted, and then we sling at it and then unbolt it and then drop it to the ground. And then we can check all the flanges, make sure that they're all okay. Whew. And also the ailerons come off today. So yeah, lots of visual anti-progress. You know, we're always about visual progress, which is an inside term for when you're working something, especially if you have a boss or something. Visual progress is, you know, you could work so hard on something and it doesn't look like you did anything. But if you do certain little things, it looks like you did a lot. Basically, like, instead of cleaning your room, you just make your bed. That's visual progress. That's kind of we're doing the opposite of that today, folks. We're taking the wings off. So this airplane, for everybody, we got helicopters and airplanes. It's going to make this thing look worse, but the whole point is we're going to try to make it better, of course. So yeah, yesterday, episode 100. Thank you so much. I got hundreds of messages from all over the world. Congratulations. And I want to flip the congratulations back to you guys, because thank you. It's you guys that are watching and listening and liking and subscribing and all that stuff. So huge thank you. And yeah, huge thank you to everybody that supported the new t-shirt design. We got like an R44 doing some wonky stuff there. And yeah, so everybody, huge thank you. Yeah, I just can't thank you enough. Teespring, they must be just off their charts happy with all the t-shirt sales to prove that we're such a small community compared to other YouTubers, but I think we're pretty much the craziest. So yeah, obviously. So enough of me jibber jabbering. Stella is now doing safety training on some volunteers. So a quick thing I want to talk about volunteers. Stella's working hours and hours and hours every day with the volunteer system. There's a lot of you guys in the email chain with the volunteers, and so yeah, you guys are doing really good. And patience is the best. We're going to try to get as many people that want to work on this airplane as possible. Here, we'll look at the R44. Oh, geez, we even got a wave, folks. We even got a wave. So yeah, so Stella's been working tirelessly with the volunteers. We got to do safety training before you can come and work on site. Whole bunch of stuff, but yeah. So a big thank you to Stella for doing all that stuff. And today, let's just get to work and show some anti-visual progress. So let's get this thing going. So folks, that might sound and look a little bit scary, but the bolts that hold the aileron on are completely seized. We have spares. We have a new aileron, the whole 9 yards. So like Uncle Ronnie says, it's a lot easier to cut it off. So we're cutting them off.
There. We're done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Ronnie, what's going on?
We're just taking this old aileron off. Yeah, because both ailerons are done. They're rotten.
Still the first time taking the aileron off?
Yeah. We're off here.
Okay. Both of them, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And the last one's out there too are off?
Yeah, it is off.
Okay. Just this one here then?
I'll shoot them off then. Take it right off.
I'll stick my hand down first. Okay, stick your hand up, pull it out. What you think?
What do you think? I think we're we're going on. We're taking the other one off. Get that thing flying before the day ends.
Yeah, before the day's over.
So what's your thoughts?
Cool. Cool. We're getting there.
Okay, when the crew took the aileron off here, I noticed something really neat. Look at this. It's got a TCA data tag, Trans-Canada Airlines 12A309. So a serial number on the wing, which would help prove that this is actually DTD. Most DC-3s don't have serial numbered wings, but TCA did. So, well, technically Canadair did the mod, but there you go. Fun fact.
There you go.
Get all that?
Did
No.
you hit it?
Let's
No.
put it back on. I like the soft touch.
So what happened?
Oh, a tail cone just fell off. Gust of wind, maybe.
I think we're not going to be able to fly today.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. Okay, we'll take the rudder off next.
What do you see in there, Ronnie?
Oh, there's rudder post. The rudder post is damaged. The brackets that hold the rudder post so far. Yeah, there's a lot of damage in there. Yeah. Somebody didn't have the rudder lock on. There's gonna be sheet metal work in here. It's broke. So we'll take the rudder off next.
So everybody, I was just finishing up the episode editing here, but we got a surprise. Check this out. We got some chips in this ammo box, but look what's in here. What kind of, we got beer.
That's right. Got a taster pack of Farnham Brewery here in Quebec.
Oh really? In
Yeah,
an
fine.
ammo box.
That's right, a fine Quebec microbrew.
Very cool. And where do you work?
At the control tower here at St. Hubert.
Oh, sweet. Thank you so much. This
quite
is awesome.
welcome.
Left-handed handshake.
Quite welcome.
That's so cool.
Okay, towards me. Jump more towards okay, okay, down on the jump. Yeah.
Film that. This is disgusting.
What do you see?
Huh?
What do you see?
What I'm seeing, a lot of damage. The whole structure is fucked up. It's really bad. We'll have to change the whole rudder system probably.
Ronnie, what do you think?
Yeah, there's sheet metal work to do in there.
Oh yeah.
Bad?
Yeah, same as the other ones when there's no rudder lock on. Yeah, there's some sheet metal work to do.
Nothing too crazy?
No,
Are we still continuing?
well, we can't stop. I mean, we drove all the way out here for this, and everybody's here, so we'll just have to find somebody, a sheet metal guy.
We'll find someone.
Say la vie.
Well, we have, yeah, because I did bring that, I brought that post with me, and some of those brackets, look at, there's a f***ing bolt. And it's full of birds, but there's nothing.
So this is crazy. Like this piece is, this is the rudder part is completely broke off. If you see, completely. So the PlaneSavers mobile is back, and Nick and Stella have saved the day. Nick, what you got in here?
We got steel beams for Ronnie's forklift, so he can remove the wings of DTD.
So yeah, so if you guys remember when me and Benoit were talking about the forklift, I completely, my fault, forgot to mention that we needed long forks, but Nick saved the day, and he called his buddies in the steel company and got us some sleeves to put over the forks. Good news is we get to keep these, we bought them, so they can stay with the kit. So next time next DC3 we go save, we'll have these already pre-done. So thanks, Nick.
No problem. You're welcome, guys.
See, folks, and this is why I really wanted, when Nick was helping us find a vehicle from Valleyfield Mitsubishi, I wanted a minivan because you could basically turn a minivan into a truck. This is exactly what we needed. You can haul a lot of people and you basically don't have to worry. So like, you couldn't do this with a normal SUV or a car. So perfect. So thanks again, Nick. Okay, so Benoit's here. Benoit's first day at the airplane. What do we have here, Benoit?
Oh yeah, we have one original pilot's notes for the Dakota 1 and 3 from the Second World War. So this manual is from 44, and what is happening is this manual, it's for PlaneSavers. So I guess it will be the next item on eBay that will be available.
Oh, that's very cool.
This is really an original one, reprinted in June 44, so exactly from the D-Day.
Oh, June 44.
Yes, with all technical description about all assembly, performances,
Oh, wow.
everything about the C-47. Oh, it's an original one.
How rare are these?
It's not really rare, but this is not common.
Not common.
Yes, this is difficult to find. There are a few of them remaining.
Very few of them, you said, eh?
Yes.
Well, that's very cool. Well, thank you, Benoit. And we'll throw that up on eBay tonight.
Perfect.
Perfect. Now back to
Back to work.
to the rudder.
Bye.
Okay, so what do we got going on here?
Well, we took this this assembly off. It was a bit damaged, as you see. And Ronnie gave us this part that he brought from wherever. And we're going to replace it. But we got to take this whole assembly here, that part. Got to come up through here. We got another one, so we're going to switch it, put the new one in, and put the that assembly there back on, and she's good to go.
And what caused this is we got the rudder right here, and you know, you always seen the rudder locks. It stops it from going like this. So if it sits and goes like this for, you know, a few years, it'll start breaking all the fittings inside. So this isn't actually something that is that uncommon. It's just added work, and you can see in here too. We're gonna have to replace that. Okay, folks, we ran into some crummy news. This wind is getting a little intense, but the good news is Ronnie modified our forklift here to have a longer reach, and the reason you need a longer reach is we gotta get over that wing to sling it. But the wind is picked up, and I know that the Montreal Saint Hubert Airport here is very famous for its wind, which is good when it's a tailwind for pilots. Not so good when you need to sling the wing. So sling the wing, that's a tongue twister. Sling the wing in the wind. Yeah, say that 10 times fast. Okay, so we are not pulling the wings today. I broke a promise, an internet promise, where I said we had to get the wings off. But it's just frankly not safe. And luckily my dead cat microphone is probably blocking some of that wind, but there you go. So right now the boys are working on the tail here, getting all the pieces and parts. We need to get a camera, a metal guy in. So Stella is probably going to be putting out a request for the volunteers on the volunteer list. Anybody that is a licensed aircraft metal man in the area, we're doing a call out to you. Because it's windy, we're most likely going to start with the avionics. So Ronnie is talking with some avionics techs, and we got the wing here, still the right hand wing. How's it going under here?
Oh yeah, it's pretty hard now this side. There was no protection on it, so we have more rust on the screws. But yeah, we take them up by hand one by one and it's going further.
That's good.
Yeah.
Cool, thank you. How's everything on this end?
Peachy.
Peachy?
Living the dream.
So, and Ronnie's sporting his Air Creeback. Ronnie, I like your safety vest. Nice.
Well, I give my other one to Stella.
Cool. Okay, folks. Well, I think I'm going to pretty much end the episode there. I'm going to edit this and I'm going to be trying to get the episodes out early. I'm going to be using my cell phone data to upload the episodes, which is probably going to be over the course of the next 2 months, probably about maybe 2,000, definitely over $1,000 in extra data. But as you know, we've been very fortunate with the volunteers and the donations, and I'm behind thanking some of the PayPal donations. So if you sent a PayPal donation, once I get a spare second, I'll go through and send a thank you to you. But yeah, so that is today. Just one of those days. It wasn't a very good day, folks. I'm putting up a smile, but we got damage in the tail. We didn't get the wings off. Not a very good day, but luckily there is 50 some more days to go. I'm not going to count. I was thinking about counting, but I'm just not going to count. We just got to get her done. So thank you guys for watching today's episode. Pray for a better day. We're not taking any days off. We're going full out, over 12 hours a day, approaching mostly, yeah, sometimes 14, 15 hours a day. Ronnie is basically living here. So, well, not basically, he really is. So that's enough things, folks. I guess there is some positives. We got both ailerons off, rudder, tail cone. Yeah, so it's all good. I got to think a little bit more positive. But thank you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of this. And we'll see you tomorrow's episode. Wings off? Who knows? We just got to pray for better winds. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.